Today, I'm going to show you about some of our incredible features of our Rainbow cookware. Rainbow dealers all over the world are using this cookware to book more appointments, get more leads, and close more sales. So this is a great tool to drive more revenue in your business. So I'm going to jump right in. First, we have our trivet feature. So all of the lids turn upside down, and you can set the pot right on top of its lid so that you can serve straight from the stove to the table. Next, what we have is our cradle feature. So all of the lids nestle very comfortably in the handles, just like this. So when you're adding ingredients or mixing, you're not making a mess all over your stove. And these handles actually are stay cool. So no matter how hot it gets inside of your pot, your handles are gonna stay at room temperature for a safe cooking experience. Next, I want to show you our temp alert knob. So you'll see on the top of all of our lids, we have this temperature gauge here. What this does is it tells you the temperature inside of the cooking vessel at all times, because if you're looking, it's not cooking. So this is a great feature, really underscoring how user-friendly Rainbow cookware is. The next thing that I want to show you is my favorite feature with the large skillet. You know when you're frying bacon or chicken and you get grease all over your stove and backsplash and it makes such a mess? Well, that's not going to happen anymore with your Rainbow cookware. You can take your utility ring here that comes in every set, place it inside of your large skillet, and then take your lid from your forequart and place it inside. So now you have a sealed cooking environment, but the air can escape out of these little holes here so that your bacon can be nice and crispy without making a mess all over your stove. The next thing that I want to show you is our utility bowls here have these awesome lids on them that actually fit on the pots as well. So if I'm making beef stew or chili or soup and I don't want to transfer it out of my pot and into a container, I can just put my vacuum safe lid on top of my forequart here and stick my pot right in the fridge. The same goes for our 7-quart pot along with our large utility bowl lid. It'll fit just comfortably right in there. The next thing that I want to show you is going to be our grater rack. So this grater rack is great when it comes to cooking pasta or curries and you want to add fresh ginger or cheese or Parmesan or anything right in, you can go ahead and do that, which is awesome. Now the next thing I want to show you is actually my favorite feature, and it's called stack cooking, and it allows you to cook 3 dishes on just one burner. So for example, if I have my forequart here, I can put some chicken in the bottom of my forequart. I can take my grater rack, I can set this on top, I can put some asparagus or other vegetables on top of it, take my medium utility bowl, put it on top like this and invert it as a lid, and then I can take my 1 quart and set it right on top, and I can put some rice in here. So at the same time on one burner, I could be cooking chicken, vegetables, and rice. And what's going to allow us to do this is our nutrithermic base. So this base here on the bottom heats up very quickly and will retain your heat for a very long time after it's heated up. So you can be cooking your rice just right on top of your vegetables and chicken there with no problem at all. This is great for a holiday season or any of that. So when I take this off, you might be wondering, well, how do I get my hot dome lid cover off? Well, every set comes with the suction knob that you just stick right on top, and your dome lid comes off just comfortably like that to ensure that you're not burning yourself. Now the best part about this entire set is that it actually has a lifetime guarantee. This flyer, this certificate comes in every set, so it doesn't matter if anything happens to your cookware, we the manufacturer will replace your cookware for free. So this set is a great tool to drive more sales, to offer incentives for referrals, and to get in the home to book more appointments. If you want to take advantage of Rainbow cookware so that you can drive more revenue for your Rainbow business, reach out to us today at info@lakeindustries.com and we'll get you set up with your very first set.